Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this metallic moss manicure. If you like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this design, just stay tuned. Starting with clean, dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm using for this manicure are all from Zoya. My base color is going to be Scout. Then I'll be sponging on top of that with Arbor, Gal, Tabitha, and just for a pop of a different color, River. So we've got kind of a murky green story going on with just that pop of blue. But as I mentioned first, I'm going to get my base color done. So, this is another manicure where I don't want to overload polish on the sponge. So I'm going to be using a plastic lid to put my polish out. And then I want a lot of texture from the sponge. So I've actually ripped my sponge into pieces and really want to take advantage of those pits and craters to help create the texture. So the first color I'm going to be going in with is Arbor. I'm going to put a little bit out, not too much. Like I said, I want to really control the amount that I'm using. And with the sponge, I'm going to find one of the roughest spots that I can and pick up a little bit of polish and use a very light dabbing on the nail. And this one isn't going to be super obvious because it's kind of close to the base color, but we're going to just build up the colors one at a time, and each layer is going to add a little bit more texture, a little different color, and repeat that for every color on all my nails. Once you're done, you can clean up around the edges. I'm using a Q-tip to get some of the larger areas before I go on with a small brush. And if you're not keen to do this step, you can of course always use Simply Peel or some kind of barrier around your nails when you're doing the sponging. Finally, we'll be finishing off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really thrilled with how these turned out. My inspiration this week was those sponge painted walls that have kind of a dappled finish to them. And I wanted to use these greens that I had pulled out and decided the blue would add just a little bit of a pop of color. And this is so close to what I envisioned in my head, which, you know, is like my milestone of whether a manicure is good or not. Like, how close to my imagination did I manage to come? And in this case, I came really, really close. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments, of course. If you'd like to see the testing and extended tutorial for this, I'll have the live stream uploaded here on Monday. I'll try. Last week was a little bit late, but I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.